Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Vantech A40 Conduit Carrier Kit. Let's get into it. All right, like I mentioned, this is the Vantech Conduit Carrier Kit. It's two end caps. It's the A40. This is actually the white, but you can get it in different colors as well, at least black. I'm not sure if you can get it in silver anymore, but this is white. And as I'm just opening this, got our installation instructions right on top. The way that this works, as you can see here just from these instructions, is you need to buy some PVC, 6-inch PVC that you will use as the tube part of the conduit carrier, and this is just the end cap. So for the back, the front, it comes with this little door, if you will, for the conduit carrier, and a little hardware kit for attaching it to the crossbar. Now the A40 kit is used for connecting to a 2x1 crossbar or an H1 kit from Vantech. Now, so if you have an H1 kit or you're looking at getting an H1 kit and you want a conduit carrier, this is a good option to go with. The other thing about the Vantech conduit carriers is you can get it with a tube. Vantech makes a tube. It's got compartments in it, and I think you can go between 2 and 4 compartments in it. They ship the whole thing to you, but this is just a nice little, kit that you can be sent and, go get your 6-inch PVC from the hardware store. So we got our end cap here. This is our back end cap. And you can kind of see what that looks like in here. Just looking at the hardware in here, and without really even doing too much investigation, I think there's holes on these end caps. I don't know if you can see that or not, that you'll actually drill into the PVC, and there must be some type of sealant or something like that that you'll want to use when doing the install. Oh, look at that. This might be your seal right there. So already included in the kit. Then, yeah, we have a hardware bag here. Looks like we got some long carriage bolts that's going to be used with these. These actually wrap around the tube, and then you got brackets here for attaching to the 2x1 crossbar. This looks like the bottom of the tube, and then we have our front end cap here. Again, this is in the white finish. This is aluminum. I don't know if you can hear that. You can tell just from the sound of it. So, this isn't gonna rust or anything like that. It looks like they have stainless hardware here for the springs and everything, so that's nice as well. This is just a little door. And it's got a little hasp here, so you can put a lock over it if you wanna keep it, additionally secure. So a nice little kit here from Vantech. Again, they give you the installation instructions on how to put it all together. And yeah, nice little kit here for putting conduit carrier on the top of your roof. If you're looking for this part or any other equipment to make your van work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.